Hello guys, good afternoon. Show you what is inside my fridge. So yeah, this is it. Full. They have the milk there, juice, grapes, salad. It's full. So yeah, we have egg, 2 eggs, and some of the tomato. Ayan guys, punong-puno siya. Marami pa yan doon sa sa loob. Ayan ang laman ng aking ref. Ayan. Tapos yung mga cheese, mga this milk. Ayan yung juice ni baby. Ayan yung milk niya. Yung tomato, egg. And then mga salad, kung ano-ano dyan. Ayan mga ingredients ko yan sa pagluluto. Yung mga yan. Then yan, meron pa doon ng juice. Yung orange juice. Saka mga yan. Mahilig kasing uminom si baby sa sa milk, kaya milk ang inano ko kanina. Then yeah, it's tomato inside. I cannot take it out all because later it will be spoiled. So ayan guys, I will show you. Punong-puno siya. Kasi yung sa ito naman yung sa freezer. Ayan. Bread. May pwede ko rin ang bread. Yung ng lumpia ko. Tapos yung chicken behind. This is the chicken there. The next bread again. The vegetable. Punong-puno siya. Ito chicken ulit. And bread. Then bread and chicken. So, ang aking laman ng fridge today. And then chicken and bread again there. So, ayan yung pinamili namin kanina. Hindi ko inano yung mga kasi yung old, yung binili ko ng isang araw, yung chicken, yun siya. This is the one that I first buy. Oh, that one, that chicken I need to cook this. Yan. Side, behind also, the bread there. Yeah, the bread. So, you guys, I think we have it. But like I said, I need to, I need to buy maybe on Saturday or Sunday again when I need to go. Tomorrow I need to buy tomorrow I have work. Yan, mga yogurt. This is the pasta. Tomorrow I need to buy this what's that, my cereal and the bread again for sausage. And then I buy donut. The donut. Do not eat my cereal. I still have my cereal. My leftover food. I need to eat that later. Still inside. So my pasta, my soup is behind. I cannot take it out all guys because I don't want to bring it back again. So my potato, I have complete onion and everything. So my rice is just only 1 packet left. I have noodles there. So that's guys. Pasta, all here is the pasta and then all the things we have. So today guys, I found the cactus that I really wanted to have at home. This is the cactus, I'll show you. That's very nice, and I hope you'll stay long. See, I will show you guys. This is my cactus. So lovely. Yeah. This is my plant. I love it. This is my cactus. I like it so much. Ben je op zoek naar nieuwe medewerkers? That's I'm really a long time ago I look for that cactus. You know guys, it's very expensive, but I tell him not to buy for me. So yeah, he cannot say no to me. He needs to buy. So yeah, that's guys. So nice of him. Thank you, my love.